Alright, so I've got the machine set up. So we're going to bend the face in the machine. We'll set that up. Sir, if you'll pump that up, we'll show a bend test. This is a hand machine. It works plenty fast. Nothing more than a quarter band. And as you see, it just slowly bends the weld. That's why they call it a guided bend test, because we have a guide. This is die and guide, and we're just going to bend this 3/8 portion of the weld right into the machine. Just pump it until it has almost 180 degrees worth of bend. Alright, I'll bring you back when we're done.